In one of my previous videos, I had shown you how to create pre-filled Google Forms using a simple Google Sheet formula. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to send out these pre-filled Google Forms to the students using YAMM. If you haven't read the previous, or if you haven't watched or read the previous blog and video, I'll be leaving their links in the description. You can check them out. So what is YAMM? YAMM is an easy to use mail merge where you select a draft created in Gmail and replace all the variables from a Google Sheet. It will automatically send personalized emails to the contact specified in the Google Sheet. You can even do this using Google Apps Script. To know more, check out the link in the description that shows you how to send out bulk emails using Google Apps Script. So this is the sheet that we had previously, and here are the pre-filled Google Forms that we created using the substitute formula. Now we're going to be using YAMM, yet another mail merge, to send them out. I have already installed YAMM on my project. So if you want, I've created other videos where I show you how to install the mail merge. I'll be leaving that link in the description. You can check that out. But right now I'm going to go to my Gmail. That's my email. I'm going to go to my Gmail. And I'm going to be creating a new draft that I want to send out to the students. So here I'm going to be leaving the 2 as empty, and here I'm going to be putting as the subject that's going to be offline school Google form. And here I'm just going to do dear, and here I'm going to be adding the name of the student. So to add that, I'm going to go back to my sheet. I'm going to be copying the exact name of the column. I'm going to go to my email draft. I'm going to paste it in here. I'm going to add a comma. And here your roll number is, and once again we're going to be adding the roll number of the student, so you need to copy the exact same column name in here. So I'm just going to create the email draft quickly. So here you can see I have created the email draft. Here I want to put in the roll number and the Google form link. So I've just opened the 2 curly braces and I've added the Google form link. If you want to know more about yet another mail merge, I'll be leaving their official documentation in the description. Also, I've created various videos. You can check that out too. So I have created the draft successfully. Let's just go back to our Google Sheet, and I'm going to go to my extensions and I'm going to click on yet another mail merge, and I'm going to start the mail merge. And in a few seconds, the mail merge will get ready. So here you can see we need to start out by specifying the recipients. That's going to be the email address of the student. So YAMM automatically detects the email address. So I'm just going to click on save. So we specified the email address of the student. That's just mine. And I'm going to be adding the sender name as a school moderator. And the email template I'm going to be selecting as offline school Google form. And all right, and we are ready to send out all the email addresses. So there are 3 steps that you can do. You can either send out a test email to check whether everything has worked successfully, or you can schedule them to send them at a particular time, or you can send all the 5 emails. I'm just going to go ahead and click on send the 5 emails. And here you can see the first email, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and all the emails have successfully been sent to the email address in the Google Sheet. So now if I go back to my email address, I can just go to the Neil Irani. Here I can see, dear Neil Irani, your roll number is A02. Let's check that here. Neil Irani is A02. It's going to be C, so I'm just going to check. We have not specified the division. It's going to be A02 with his name. And if I click on the Google form link, you can see Neil Irani A02 C has successfully come in. So our pre-filled Google form has successfully worked, and the yet another mail merge add-on has successfully worked. So this is all for this video. I hope you have understood how to send out pre-filled Google forms using the popular mail merge add-on known as YAMM. I'll be leaving the Google Sheet and the Google form link in the description. You can check that out. And to know more about YAMM, I'll be leaving their website and documentation link in the description. You can check that out. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, and for more content, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.